In this video, I'll be using a real account that I have specifically for training purposes. You'll see actual trades done in real time with real money. Everything was recorded live as it happened. So strap yourself into your beanbag chair and let's get started. Okay, good morning everyone. It's Tony Sizemore with Option Elements here in the FX trading room again. It's 7:30 on Tuesday morning, Tuesday the January the 10th. And I've just started laying out some initial orders in the currency market, and it looks like we just got filled on our first one, which is in the British pound. Put out we sold 500,000 short here at, what's our price, 83.4, right here on the red line. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put our buy order in cover that initial 500 if the market turns around and heads our direction. Right there. Okay. Start with that. I've also got sell order in here. Haven't been hit yet. Working an order in our yen, nothing there. And last night in the night market I was able to put on our base back again in the Euro New Zealand dollar pair. This is our longer term trade. As you can see on it, this is our position trade, I should say. Take a look at this. Okay, here we are down here, as you can see. So, sooner or later, hopefully sooner than later, I'm expecting a nice retracement, a nice pop to the upside. Possibly 600 to 800 pips is what I'm looking for. And that would be, where would that be? That would be way back up here. Let's see, what's this, 100? 250. So that's 250, 500, 700. Okay, yeah, somewhere back up into this area right in here. That's what we're looking for. Of course, we're down on that trade, but that calculation that it's showing right now is not correct. What they do when you have a position hanging over from the previous day is they take the close of the previous day, or should I say the close of the previous day and the current price, and that's how they come up with it. But it doesn't affect your real P&L, as you can see here, right here. So we're actually only down 1,700 on that, not 25. But anyway, we don't like to be down at all. So we're going to work these today. We're getting started. I'll be back with some more commentary when the situation warrants. Okay, so we just got filled on our first sell order in the British pound right here at 72, and that's a profit of 705 for this morning so far, as you can see right here. British pound. Okay, we'll get set up for another trade here. Basically, you can see the green line is where we covered that and bought. This little hash mark here, is where we sold initially. Okay, we got a long position we just started here in the British pound Australian dollar pair. Right here on our green line, we've got our sell order in right here. Things have been on a rip to the downside quite a bit. Thought we might get ready to get filled up there on that push. Trying to get 72. All right. And we'll keep our eye on that one. Back here in the pound again.
I'm going to sell here. We sold right here before and bought here, so we're going to sell up here again. And there's our long-term position, New Zealand dollar. Okay, I'm going to pause until there's... Might have to defend this position a little bit. Might have to put another buy order in down here. We'll see. Going to pause though for time constraint. Okay, it looks like we might be getting ready to be filled in our Mexican peso. There we go. Okay, we just sold the 300 in that market right there. We bought it. Well, we bought it right here and we sold it right there. We sold it at 95, and if we look at our trade log, you can see here that we bought it at 76 and sold it at basically 96. So that was a good show there. Alright, let's get back over here. Okay, British pound, Australian dollar pair. Up in here, got a sell order in at 66, trading 61.63. You can see we've been lower here on this bar. This market's got a lot of selling pressure in it, so I'm keeping my buy and sell orders relatively close together for a short range. So hopefully we'll get picked off right here on a rally. Okay, back over to the pound, looking around, like to be able to sell this again. Got our order in right here at 48. I'm sorry, at 80. We got our order in at 80, we're trading 74.75. And here's our P&L for today. Over here. Okay. This one here is the only one we're struggling with right at the moment. So see where the price action leads us on that one. In the meantime, I'm going to be hunting around for hopefully be able to get a trade, get some trades today in the Japanese yen right here. Got a sell order, buy order here. That's kind of where I expect the outer rim of the range to be. And the British pound, you know, kind of the same thing. So I'll pause and I'll be back with you momentarily. It's 10 minutes till 9 now on the 10th. While I was getting my coffee just now, we sold the British pound in here, 500,000 at, what's our price here? 80.7 right here on the red line. So we're short that again for the second time today. And we're still working our British pound Australian dollar. Got an order in to sell at 66.5. We're 63 by 64. So see what happens with that coming up here. Got a 64 bid. Okay, we'll come back to this one. Let's see here. There's our buy order. Nothing to report on this one yet. British pound, Australian dollar. Okay, so that's where we are at the moment. I'll pause and resume again in a few. Okay, we're on the offer here. 566.5. We're bid 66. So let's see if they can fill us here. Wouldn't seem to be that too terribly difficult, would it? Okay, looks like we just got filled there. My dog was happy about it. Okay, so the P&L so far on the British pound Australian dollar for today is 7.11. The old 7-Eleven. Used to go to those stores when I was a kid. Had one right up the street, matter of fact. They've changed since then, of course. That was in the late 60s. Okay. British pound, still short it, still sitting there, nothing to defend yet. All right. We'll view our trade log. There we go. Okay, that's what we have going on. That's what has happened. Okay then, got our order in the pound to buy at 67. We're 73 by 74. Right there. So the price is right in the middle of our range there. Okay, I'll pause and I'll be back. Okay, we're on the bid here at 67, as you see. Okay, there we go. We just got filled. Okay, so we sold it here, we bought it down here, we sold it up here again, and we bought it down here again. Can't hardly see this. There we go. Profit so far today in the British pound is 13.79. Ooh. So we're up 13.79 in the British pound US dollar. We're up 711 in the British pound Australian dollar, and we made 6,000 pesos. Well, in the British pound Mexican peso. Okay, I'm going to pause and I'll look for some more trades and we'll record those for you. Okay, we just sold some more peso here. It's 9:04 a.m. We're short here on the red line. So let's go ahead and put our buy order in. Okay, looks like we might be getting filled here on our buy order to close out our Mexican peso. We're short 500 of them. We've got an order in to buy at 43.7, and there we are. Now let's see if they can offer it down there. There's our buy order, that blue hash mark right there, which I had a sell order in here to sell 500, well, to sell 200 more up here. Got close but didn't fill it. Okay, looks like we just got filled here on that one. Okay, let's cancel that. Okay, so we've had two trades in the Mexican peso, both winners. We've had 2 trades in the British pound. Yeah, in the British pound we had 2 trades in the British pound, both winners, and we had 1 trade in the British pound Australian dollar, which was a winner. So we're 5 for 5 so far this morning, and it's 10 a.m. So we got a lot of time ahead of us, and we're going to continue trading and see how well we can do. Okay, we're going to sell some more British pound here. It's 11:09. There we go. Okay, just sold 500. Gonna put our buy order in. Whoops. Get it right. Okie dokie. Smoky. There we go. Okay. Take a look around here. It's probably a good place to sell right here too, matter of fact. And our Mexican peso here. Looks like it might be in play coming up. Only problem with the Mexican peso, well, getting short the Mexican peso, the only problem is this. It's got some support right in here. So, got to watch out for that. In other words, the trend could change. But it hasn't changed yet, obviously. Yeah, you can do something simple like that if you want to. So you'd want to, longer term positions, you want to sell up here, buy, whatever, above it. Okay, let's get back to cable. All right. Okay, well, we're sitting in the middle here, so I'll pause and then we'll get back to it as we get closer. I'm going to look around for some more trades also. Okay, well, we're getting close to possibly getting filled to cover our short 500 of the British pound USD. We've got a bid in at 81. Market's 82 by 83 roughly. As you can see, hopefully you can see this blue line and the red line. The red line's of course where we went short, and the blue line is where we're going to be covering if all goes according to plan. That range right there is going to be let's see, we sold it at 95 and we're buying at 81, so that's a 14 pip range right there. So on 500, that's basically 14 times 50, and if you do the math on that, you'll see that that's $700 there. So, and on our account, that's about 1%, just right there. I think we're up 5. What are we? Let's see here. Yeah, we're up about 4.5% today, which is good, but we can do better than that some days. Okay, well, we're 83.84. So I'm going to pause again. We'll come back to it if it begins to tick down. All right, we're on the bid. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we have a zero position. We bought our 500 at 81. So that makes our net profit in the British pound today 2,083. So let's see, we've made 6 trades today. Yeah, 6 trades total, all winners. That's the way we like it. All right, I'm going to pause and look for some more.
The end. Thank you for watching. The end. Thank you for watching.